Do you want a treat? Or do you want a treat? Okay. Okay. We gotta put it in the Kong. Nope. Just a minute. We gotta put it in the Kong. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, here you go. It's in the Kong. It's in there. Daisy, it's in there. There you go. Can you find it? Get your treat, it's in there. Uh-oh. No, bring it in here. Daisy, bring it in the kitchen. Come on. Come on, bring it in the kitchen. Bring it in here. No, it's in there. It's in there. Take it in the kitchen. Go on. Take it in the kitchen. Come on. Give me it. Give me it. Come on, bring it in the kitchen. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you got it! You got it the easy way. It fell out. Oh, that's too easy. That's way too easy, huh, Cuddles? Way too easy. I know. It's all. She got it already. She's sniffing it. She already got it. It's all gone. She ate it. Daisy, was it yummy? Daisy, was it yummy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was yummy. It's all gone. You ate it. You ate it, silly. See ya. There's nothing in there, sorry. It's almost supper time.